In front of me is Hammer Blade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then click on this button at the bottom in the middle and select Allow in the pop-up. Then click on the button again. As you can see, voice typing is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it though, click on the square one. Now you can name your recording however you want to and hit OK. Then access it on the list by clicking on this button with 3 lines located on the right. To play one of your recordings, click on it. And to get rid of it, use Edit at the top right corner. Click on one of your recordings that you wish to delete. And tap on Delete button at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!